Hello, hello, hello. Welcome to another stream and some more project setup probably today. Let me quickly check a couple of things off screen on my second monitor. All right, so I think I have more or less everything up. And running-ish. Awesome, thank you for checking YouTube. And you have like the screw, no, not screw, what is it called? The moderator icon. All right. And I think, yeah, the chat works as well. So you'll see the YouTube chat on the left as well in the stream. So that works. All nice and working, I guess. And yeah, my Twitch works as well, yeah. Cool. So I'm not sure if subscription works on YouTube or anything like that, but I don't think that there will be a lot of people watching anyways on YouTube. But maybe. Okay. Well. Let's get started, I guess. So yesterday and actually a little bit today in the afternoon, I continued with the, like, what I think is one of the biggest movements of like code and refactoring that I did in a long time on this project. And I'm almost finished. We are running again at least, but we don't run with any render graph or anything. So that's a problem, right? But I think that is something that we can fix rather easy. I need to think about how I want to structure my second monitor. It's a little bit much there. So what I did is, and what I will now continue to do, is first of all we go here, and I think I rename this to Onyx Engine system. Mostly because I think that is more correct what it does. We rename it here as well. And yeah, that's more or less it. And we can, well, we need to change our thing here. So that is called engine system. And then let's generate that. Because I think it's more that like we have the modules, and modules can have multiple systems in there if we want to have that, right? For example, input has like 2 systems. We could as well split those. But I'm not sure. I don't see really the benefit of the split, to be honest. So And then we go to application.h, Engine system, and we add a forward declare, I think. Okay, maybe not. I think we need that already defined, right? Not sure if we need that. Don't think we need that. Type info, path, window, type list. Ah, okay, well, we need the window here for that. Oh, okay. I see. Are those we might want to move again? Actually, yeah, basically that is done, and then requires and then here that one will return has system. Ah, that was a mistake probably again, god damn it. Maybe a mistake. I don't know. Might be that that was not the best thing again, because last time it froze all the time with that. Okay, well, no, it worked. But it just didn't rename anything, which is great. And then get system. Get system. And system not registered, system not registered. And then this is add system. And basically that one requires this to be an engine system. And we don't necessarily need this to be an engine module, right? But we only want this to be registered once for sure. So we got that, and then here has system. Terminal system. Now we can remove that. Because we might not necessarily need You might not necessarily need the thing, right? That you have to have like a shutdown, or you have to have an init function if your system doesn't need that, which is a little bit weird. But I mean, there might be ones that like don't need anything, right? Can actually get rid of that then. I mean, that doesn't necessarily need to be a problem, right? Actually, so if m shutdown function contains, well, actually, I mean, technically we still need to do that, right? We should remove all the modules that depend on this thing, but whatever. And then we remove those for now. Dependency. What graphic system is? Oh, well. That might be because it can't deduce the type, right? So I'm thinking maybe we really need to include graphic systems here. Yeah, okay. We could get rid of that overload, but I think it's a nice thing to have those two overloads here for getting directly the graphics API. But I don't know, maybe not. Maybe it's not the nicest thing to have that, I don't know. So basically we have to do that everywhere. Which is fine. Do we even use a mute texture? Oh yeah, we do. Texturist. Ah, we do have that, okay. Oh well. Yeah. So let's see, what else do we have here? Engine system. God damn it, stop it. Thank you. So put that here. And that will not be everything yet because, yeah. Oh, yeah. So we have those. Now we remove those for now. Edit a modular. Yeah, I mean, we probably want to rename that to editor system, but it's fine. All right. I mean, I guess it's fine. Hey Bogo, thank you. Don't worry. Yeah. Soon TM it will be available as well if you are interested in the code. Yeah, nice that you drop in again. And yeah, don't feel any pressure that you have to like come here, right? Always important that you take care of yourself. Alright, we need to do here the same thing. So basically the thing that we have here with the shutdown, we need to do the same here. Just like that, right? Oh wait, we get... Oh yeah, no, that's fine. Then we have our module ID here. And then we try to find our shutdown iterator here. And if we found it, we clear. And that's that. Even though I don't think we need this function necessarily anymore. That was a crutch anyways for something that we did in the editor, which is not really the best. Okay, so that works again. We compile again. That's good. Oh, thank you for the resubscription. So what I want to do is we create a new ImGUI window from the UI namespace. And that one is a new thing. So we blew up our engine modules quite a lot. And windows here, and then we probably have an ImGUI window here as well. And we include that. And oh yeah, we need to generate, of course. And then the plan is to move a couple of things that we before did in like ugly, in an ugly way by abusing our engine system. We do now properly. Oh, close the wrong tab. Close our music. The playlist, yeah, that is the playlist. Okay. Cool. So did we generate? We did, and now we can reload here. And we can go ImGUI window. And then what we can do is private ImGUI system. We can forward declare that here. We could make that protected, I guess. Then we have a void render basically where we can do whatever we want. Do we want an update as well? Maybe not. Maybe something like that, open and close. I'm not entirely sure yet exactly how I want to have it, but something along those lines. And then ImGUI system itself. Here we will have a list of ImGUI windows. Well, actually, that will be a unique pointer. Or will it be a unique pointer? Yeah, why not? I think that one will be the one responsible for keeping it alive. now we have a begin, end frame, and an void on render. Although we might not need that actually. We could do that here, right? The ImGUI system lives in UI, and I think UI doesn't have any information anymore about which is fine, I think. So we do that. We do that, and then here we would can we refactor that? Random main menu. And editor module, we want to get rid of that there. So in the on pre update, exactly this one I want to get rid of. And I think that goes into the ImGUI system. On update, basically. Let's extract that as well. Random main view or main window. And then editor module. We have our main menu, which that is fine, right? So maybe that is even wrong to do that here. I don't know. Maybe that layout stuff should be more in the editor itself and not here. But we will still do it here. And then the idea would be after that one, we go through all our windows. And call basically their render. on begin frame. Yep, I mean, I think that's fine. We will find out if it's fine. So basically what I would want to do is edit a module, right? That is an engine system, that's fine. And then here we get, with those dependencies we can kill. But then we get as well the imGUI system. We should definitely get it on the exit as well. Where is our shutdown? So that's our init. Do we not implement the shutdown? Cool. But then probably a asset system we don't need. In the shutdown we definitely need to unregister from the input action system, whatever we are registering here. Probably disconnect this is good enough. If we even... Do we even do something? No, actually we don't. Okay, then never mind, we just need the imGUI system. Maybe not even that, but it's fine. And then here what we will do is create in our editor, public editor, Windows, editor window, whatever, startup window. And then we do the same here, Windows, startup window, CPP. And let's add that to our view stuff. We have Windows. So we have that. And let's generate that. We will not see anything there, but yeah. Start up window. Wrong my ones. And then class startup window. And let's actually do that. And now we have a private void, like virtual void on render, and that one is empty because it doesn't really make sense that you don't have that implemented, right? Don't need that. And I guess generate constructor, whatever that is. Or do we need that? Do we need to have the ImGUI system as a member? I don't. Maybe we don't. All right, so let's actually remove that. Include Onyx UI, Onyx editor. Well, it's only editor. Windows. And done that. And now we bring over the editor stuff. Which basically is not that. But basically that. And then I do think we want to have like the main menu bar here as well. Which probably is not the smartest thing to have here, but oh, we will see about that. Actually, virtual void on render main menu bar. That one we leave empty because it's optional, and on render menu bar, which is basically one is for one is for the window one and one is for the main window, if you would want to have that, right? startup window. Actually, let's leave that. And let's create another one. Basically editor main window. Maybe. Yeah, let's do editor main window, why not? That one will be always visible. Public window. I mean, actually, maybe that will be the one that we currently moved into the ImGUI system, which is probably not correct. Not here for now. And let's generate that. That's what I wanted to say. Yeah. So then let's go to editor main window, Pragma ones namespace, editor, class, and then we basically have the private section on render, and then void on render main menu bar. And let's include that here. Windows, editor main window. And this one. Oh god. We put that here. We can remove that and remove that. And then that's that, and we go into ImGUI system. And I do think we want this basically to be there. I want ImGUI internal, but then we need like more because it's not enough. Components panel. Get window name, return. Or that one we can make like that, right? And then basically alright, let me see. ImGUI window. I mean, basically that goes in there as well. View layouts. We disregard that for now. We will do that later. Now where do we call it? Okay, so here in GUI in main menu bar. And main menu bar. And then ImGUI begin get window name. Basically we do that, right? Yeah, that should do it. And then here set window, set window. Or do we do that? Maybe we just do it for... that, and here we just do that, right? That might work, might as well horribly fail. Basically like that. And then editor module, what we would want to do is basically GUI system, add window, basically like that. And get rid of those dependencies. Those are like the old legacy thing I cannot delete again. Oh my god. So yeah, let's remove that again. And yeah. God damn it, too much. And that's the ImGUI system, and then let's add our template type name T. Let's actually return a T reference here. Add window. Because you might want to add some stuff here if you like to do that, right? And then we basically have an auto new window. Is a make unique of T. We could forward some stuff, not sure if we need that right now. And then we basically Windows and place back. Actually, we could do it like that, right? And then well, maybe not, because we need to get the reference. Like that, and then we push back our new window here, and we return our ref. Awesome. And that requires... the requires here? No, right, the requires is here. Yeah, whatever. It's anyways, it has to be a window, right? So I mean that works, right? So it has to be a window. All right, so that works. That works. And then in here, we add that. We can remove that. Is remove all of that crap. For now, we can ignore that. And then ImGUI system for now, let's actually ignore that. I think we got rid of that, right? Because we noticed that that is not needed. And then editor windows, we can probably kill. Because I don't think we need that anymore. So probably we can remove all of that. But for now I commented it out. Because I'm not sure if we can actually really remove it. Actually, I want to have that lowercase because those are not public variables, right? All right. We are nowhere near to having our engine running again, but what can you do? What? Oh, is it because... let's get rid of that. Let's get rid of the whole internal namespace here. The funny one. That should fix it. So the problem was that because we are forward declaring here ImGUI window, right? This is not an include. We only forward declared it. There's no include for ImGUI window. And because we forward declare it here, and if we don't have a destructor and destructor, what C++ does, it default provides you a default constructor and a default destructor. But those are living inside the header, and then it tries to destruct those unique pointers within this header, but the header doesn't have the include, so it doesn't know how to destruct those things because they're only forward declared. So how you can get rid of around that is, if you want to still forward declare it, because usually forward declaration is a little bit better than like pulling in the whole include if you don't need it, and we don't need it here, is you can move your constructor and destructor into the CPP file, because here we have our include for ImGUI window, and then the destructor gets called like in the CPP instead of in the header, and then it has all the stuff to link. So that's like a nice thing that maybe not everyone knows. And usually, yeah, why I don't want to include the ImGUI window age in the ImGUI system.age is because if I want to include my ImGUI system in any other class, I don't necessarily want to pull in the whole ImGUI window object or like the whole header. So then usually you want to, yeah, limit as much as possible, like how much you include here to like the bare minimum. Which we kinda have. The only exception is like those, which I'm not sure if we even need to have an include here. We might not even need this texture asset here. We could potentially have that forward declared as well. But I don't want to do that now. Okay, so we have that. We will not see anything with that yet because our render graph is broken. So let's see if we can get our render graph up and running again. So for that we need a couple of things. So what we need is register assets. Yeah, that will be a lot of problems, let's put it that way. Not sure. We can definitely get rid of that. Can get rid of that. The notification system will probably be a window then. And render graph asset. Exactly. And then we want to get that. We basically have that, and then here graphics module, our graphics system. Kinda. What is that init doing? Oh, okay. Well, that might be something we want to do. Oh, I think I know why we moved that here. Yeah, I think I remember why we moved that init here. So that's all nice and good. But what we want to do as well is here in the run we get our graphics system. Now we get our graphics API. And then basically we do all of that again. We don't necessarily need a begin frame actually. Need that, we need that. Don't need any of that crap for now. We just need this, I think. Which is basically graphics API render. Don't need an end here. Need an end frame. Don't need that. So I don't think we need, well, we might need that. So what we actually want to do as well is get the ImGUI system for now. It's like a little bit hard coded, but what can you do? We will clean that up again in a second. Basically begin frame context. And then here on update with our delta time for now. Where is our delta frame time here? We don't need the fixed update. So we do that, and then ImGUI system end frame. And that should do it, right? Maybe. Although I think all of my render graph classes are busted. Render graphs, default or render graph, really? We really did that or what? Okay, yeah. Oh, but then the registered assets doesn't exist, which is fine, I guess. We can fix that. Like, just do that, right? And the only thing is we need the asset system here. And we need the get system, graphics system. Get graphics API. And the question is that enough? Or do we need more? And does that even work? The other question. I think we need to register this afterwards. And then let's see if that actually works. Yeah, okay. That was kinda expected that that doesn't work. Mostly because our type IDs probably don't match for the pin, like for the factory stuff. We have. I can't see the. God damn it! I can't see the thing right. Yeah. All right. Well, that sucks. So I guess we need to manually fix those, which is actually a pain. But it's fine, I guess. We can deal with that. So we need to go to our Irrlicht and then data. Render graphs, this one. And yeah, this type ID we need to adjust, right? So this one is depth pre-pass. So wherever we have the depth pre-pass, instead of that, we have that. Time GUI pass. Oh, god damn it. I think it's that. Okay, so that one, for some reason, stays the same. Graphics composite. Yeah, that one stays as well the same. Editor scene grid. Might stay the same as well. Grid. Graphic static mesh. That one is different. Why is it different? Oh, because we moved it, right? Didn't we? Yeah, exactly. So it's game core, so that's why it's different. Yeah. Scene SDF font. Not sure if we have that in our font. Oh yeah, we do. So I'm thinking maybe it would make sense. View constants. Okay, yeah, that makes sense. That's the same. Create light cluster should be the same. Okay. So I do think if we save that, that should be already better. I'm not sure if it works, but worth a try. Might be working again. Well, that is close. close, but not close enough, I guess. Although maybe, hold on, maybe it's working? Maybe private. Maybe. I'm really not sure if it works or not. I mean, hold on, that one is actually empty anyways, right? I mean, do we even get that card here? Okay, we don't. No, that doesn't make any sense. Wait. Shouldn't we get a card there? Application. Do we never begin a frame or what? Oh no, we do. Windows is empty. Oh, did we not? Oh my god. I think I know what it is. Entry point. No, not entry point. Is it entry? I mean, maybe. If you don't add your system, it doesn't work. What? Editor module, you are that, and then we have this, this, and this. What is your problem? ImGUI system and undefined. Oh, is it because we have to have that included here, right? For this to work. Exactly. Okay. Fair. Let's remove that for now. Again. Input action asset. Register assets. Same thing with the binding IDs. But here we have it a little bit easier because we have that thing here. So we can add a watch here and fix it on demand. Can I see which kind of input binding you are? And what? God damn it. Alright, well we can't maybe. So we need to do the same thing here. And then we go to our input context and basically do the same thing. So binding is a bool. Oh, and then this is the thing, right? Or this is the ID of that, and then this is the type. Binding type ID. What is this? Car stack. Input binding bool. I do think it is that. Then X is 1D. Not sure if we have that. Okay. X is 1D composite. I mean, that's probably not that. X is 2D. That's a composite and that's a composite, so I don't think it's that. I do think it's this. Or do we have a composite here? That's a little bit questionable, right? Oh, maybe... Hold on, maybe they... Okay, maybe it was the other one. But how do we find that now? X is 3D. That is definitely a composite. All right. Let's access to the is probably that one. To think. Okay, yeah, we have it back. Awesome. Not sure why we have a bottom row here. But whatever, I guess. Not quite sure what that is. But we have that working again, which is great. I mean, I guess what we can do is imgui window. Do that, right? So if we are not visible, we just return. Which is... Oh yeah, but yeah, exactly, we do open the editor window, right? In the editor module. Yeah. So that's that. Which is perfect. And I think what we can do is basically set up the thing is I would want this to be a little bit different though, but I'm not sure how to do that in a nice way. Maybe like that, and we put that as a protected value here. Yeah, somehow I would want to be able to call to like open a window based on a string, right? But yeah, basically we then add other windows here, which we don't necessarily show. Scene editor window, right? And we add the node graph window basically. Node graph editor window. And then let's go to scene editor.h. Let's name that scene editor window. Make this a ImGUI window. Then I'm not sure what we necessarily need here. But we definitely need a couple of things here. So maybe we want to have like constructors that allow us to pass in stuff, right? Like that, and then yeah, the editor camera we probably want to get rid of. Don't think we want to necessarily have that one there. No, actually, yeah, we do. Never mind, we do. So that's basically an on close, right? Is what we want. Not sure. So that one is basically on render. I don't think we need it there at the time. We shouldn't update our editor camera here. And we definitely shouldn't update our scene here. And then this one we can get rid of. And this is fine. And then render scene viewport is fine as well. This is on render main menu bar basically. Don't need that. You just render that, and then So I think that is all pretty much good. The on-close is a little bit of a problem, not gonna lie. We probably save our input system here. Input action system. So basically we want that here, ImGUI window. On close. And basically we want an on open as well, probably, right? And we most likely want to do most of the stuff that we do in the constructor there in the open and close instead of, I mean, I mean that we definitely want to do in the on open. So we do that in the on close, open, on close, and then this one probably as well. And then if and basically something like that, right? And then message system. Like if it's the first time or something like that, right? If is open as far as then we return already. Then here if is open, then we return as well. And then here if else on close. Okay, always call that. And here is open basically. As we call on close, yeah. So as if was open, then we call that. That should do it. So basically, if we close it with the X, we wouldn't notice that, right? Because we don't get a callback, but now we do. And then, yeah, that node graph, node editor is basically node graph editor window public UI I'm GUI window. And then similar, we have this init here, and then we will have oh, that's ugly. On open, on close, and void on render, and probably on yeah, I call on render main menu bar, but that one I'm not too sure about, to be honest. And then this one goes here. And then here we replace node editor module with that one in all of them. This one we collapse for now. And then we have a void on, or actually, yeah, void. So that is actually the on close, I would say. And then we have a void on show, on open. And this is on close. We basically, oh, we have the input action system here anyways. Basically, I think we do actually everything in the on open here. AX node edit or destroy editor. Probably. Maybe we need more than that though. Maybe we really need to definitely should reset our M editor context. Probably. Maybe not. Just because we close, we might want to keep certain things alive, right? Or though, maybe not. No, if you close it, you close it. I think we reset our asset ID maybe. Asset ID. Invalid. Alright. Maybe. Oh wait, there's more, right? The scene editor, we need the string view. We need that. And then we need that in the node editor as well. Okay, and then this one goes away. Might work, right? And then this one generate, and this one generate, and that one is actually kinda easy because that basically just becomes our on update. Is our on render. And at the start here, that is the menu, right? So we can get rid of that. And that is basically our window name. Combine window name with the graph name as the visual name. Alright, so I do think that might work. Why there is a one arrow down there. Which is okay, that one. It's fine. Okay, yeah, that makes sense as well. So wherever we do that exactly. Here. So that one wants the asset system, the graphics API, the window, and the input action system. Like basically everything. Asset system, graphics API. But why do we need the... Oh, well, whatever. The window. And the input action system. I am questioning this quite a lot. And then this one just needs the asset system and the input action system. And then here we need to type name .args. Like that, I think should do the trick. But I'm not quite sure. Why do we need so many things here? Scene editor. Graphics API. I mean, that I can understand, but the window... Oh, we need that for the initialization. Nah, not gonna happen. Or... Yeah, no, not gonna happen for... Yeah, no, yeah. It definitely don't give it the window here. I do think actually that is anyways garbage. Oh, I did that here. We will do that probably a little bit different. Or together. So we can get rid of that, we can get rid of that. And then it's just the graphics API, which is a little bit more sound anyways. Let's get rid of that. Okay, so asset system, graphics API, and the thing, and then here, editor module. So yeah, we give as well. Graphics API. The window goes away. The question is if we really need that, but I'm still not sure if that is actually a thing. Do we even use those center doc ID? Those are legacy things. All right. I don't think we use that, right? So why do we have the scene editor module here? Ah, because we want to get the scene. Yeah, no, not gonna happen. You will get a reference to the game core scene. Basically a reference scene. And add a forward declaration here. A window. And then we private. Basically, that's the on render. And let's actually get window name. Components panel, basically. And well, that's an on close, a perfect example of on close. Scene at registry. Sorry, like that. Yes. So where in entry point? I need the graphics API here. Like that. Entities panel. That's very similar, right? So here we do public UI MGUI window. We could, of course, but I think it's anyways cleaner to have it like that, right? Because realistically, that is actually anyways better. I don't think we need the is rename, but whatever. Get window name, entities, panel. Oops. Now we have on render here, which is fine, I think. I'm not sure. Do we need a on close? No. Scene. Not quite sure. Do we need the M is rename? Don't this doesn't look like it. Now we need that. Alright, so we have all of that done. Let's see when we will have our engine running again. But I think it should be fairly soon-ish. What? I mean, that is a reference of scene. What? Ah, did we not include here? No, that is here. What? Oh, is it that we need to move that one as well into the header? Into the CPP? Is that the same thing? That we have with the oh, that is fair. Maybe I don't need that then. I don't think I need that. Okay, then node editor. If we enter the render, I mean, basically, sticky return, right? Node editor. Oh yeah, okay, but those buttons don't do anything because we don't have that done yet. Startup window. So how can we do that? Basically, I would want to... Can I somehow open a window? Can I do something like imgui begin Node editor, node graph editor window. Alright, let's hack it for now, right? Let's do that. And force this to open. Right. And then we imgui end. And that would work. And then let me think. And now we probably need to do imgui window. So basically we want something like that. And then if is open, we do that. If false open is false, then we definitely call on open. Even though that is a little bit late, right? But then again, we might do that afterwards. Error list is open hides. Which one did I put that in now? Shader graph editor. I mean, it shows it for a second, but then oh, is it because, hold on, because we force close it probably here again. Maybe. Can do something here. that here. And let's ignore those for now. Those are like things that we will deal with later. I would want to get that working again. That next window flags. Whatever, we don't really care about that right now. What is the problem? Which one do you have the problem with? Okay. Fair. I think we need to hide that, right? Okay. Well, that doesn't work as well as I would have hoped. I will call it a day though for today. Then we will continue tomorrow. But we are close. We are close to getting it back. Thank you very much for joining me. We will see each other tomorrow again. Hopefully for the last project setup stream, because we are very close to having it done again. And then, holy shit, that changeless is huge. And then we have like restructured our project in the sense that it's very easy, I think, to set up a project. And yeah, which is a good thing. Because I do think the last step then, I mean, I will submit that, but I think one last step would be to see if we can change like the CMake file, that we have like one for the engine and one for a project, and the project includes the project of Onyx basically. But that's the thing that we will do tomorrow, once we have everything up and running again. But yeah, we have the startup again. We have basically the windowing system more or less there. But yeah, I need to think a little bit about how I would want to have those working, I guess. It's the best how I can say it. But yeah, thank you very much. Have a nice rest of your evening. See you tomorrow, and yeah, bye bye.